Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, this is a Divinedecals UK haul. So she is over on Instagram and also on YouTube. I will try and remember to leave the links. So I ordered the March VIP box. I just haven't got round to sharing it. I know it's quite late, but she does do monthly ones, which is really cool. So with every order you get instructions on how to apply and the best way to apply them. So that's always handy. That's always useful to have that, just in case you're new to decals, because you know not everybody has used decals before. So I brought a couple of I brought two of the same from the sales section. So these are some love hearts. So it's got kiss me, love him, be mine, pretty girl, forever, be true. I just thought they were really nice. Let me just get them out so you can have a close look. So these don't come with the plastic protective film that you normally would get, but I like the way she stuck it to the card. I like that. That's really nice, and it's easy to come off. Yeah, I just thought I haven't got any love heart ones, so I thought, oh, these are really nice, and they're not too big. I like them. So yeah, so I picked up two of them. I also picked up this. I couldn't resist. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I must have it. So this was designed by one of her brand ambassadors, Nail Gems. She's also on Instagram, so hop over and give her a follow. But look how beautiful this is. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty. I mean, it's got skulls on it, but I absolutely love it. I really do. Because you can also, like, there's a section on the website where you can send her your own design, and she will do decals for you. But this is amazing. I love it. I really do. It's so pretty. Look at this snake around these flowers. Oh, they're so pretty, and I like you get two of each. Oh, so pretty. Cannot wait to do a design with these. So I got them one as well. So this is the March VIP pack. So it comes in its own bag, and this is a mix of all different decals. So we'll have a look. So they each come in their own individual little packets, which is really good. So I will store these in here. So this is a Yin Yang one. Camera isn't focusing very well today. Give me 1 second. Hopefully that's a bit better. So we have this Yin Yang at the top, which is like a tree, and you have your normal one, which you normally see, and you have this one, which has got like coloured sort of like wavy bits off of it, which is meant to represent the sun. So I think they're really nice. I can't wait to use them. And we have some Easter ones. So these are really nice, and I like that you've got like kind of almost transparent as well as the full coloured ones. I like that, and I like the designs. The designs are really nice. I really like them, so I will have to use these. So that is the Easter one. I don't know if these are available on the website or not. So we have these hearts. So these are, they're not as pink as they are showing on camera. They're more of a browny kind of colour. What I would do is I will try and get some pictures so you can actually see the colours. So I really like these as well. All different hearts. I like the way that, you know, you've got like the little outline ones, and you've got ones which look like they're like drawn and scribbled in. How many of us did that when we were younger? So yeah, I really like them. Nice little mix of hearts on that one. And we also have some lips, which you have some like some that are like a red colour, some that are like orange, and you have full ones, one more open, some slightly to the side, some patchy ones. So I'm sure if these are not available on the website, I'm sure you could ask her and she could print you some out. So yeah, I've got them ones as well. And also there is this one, which you have the Chinese lucky cat, you have the tiger, the lotus flower, and the waves. I cannot wait to use these. Yeah, I think it's going to be a few regular polish, maybe regular polish designs. So yeah, I like that. That's really, really nice. I like them. And also these ones, so these are darker. So you have this really dark rose, which is like a really dark navy blue, and you have this like kind of like off-white, and you have these really pretty butterflies, and these other ones here. So yeah, I like them. Yeah, like I have a design in mind for most of these. And look at these, how nice are these? So these are like watercolor hearts. I like them. Ooh, well, I have an idea. Maybe I will couple them with my She Modern water paints, maybe. So yeah, I like the way that these are coloured. I really like that. They're almost sort of like sheer in parts and layered in others. Really, really nice. I like them. You get a good amount as well. I like them. And we also have some stars and moons. Look at them. How cool are they? And I like you get the gold and the silver as well. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Look at the detail on them as well. That is really, really good. I like them. Ooh, I think I'm going to use these ones first. So these are some dream catchers. So you have like 3 different versions. You have this like kind of like solid one, and you have this one which is like kind of almost sort of water paint kind of feel to it, and then this one which is sort of like your full color and kind of like your water paint as well. And I like you get like 4 of each, so I like that. And they're not massive. I really like them. I like the colors in them. So that is that one there, and a couple more to go. And then we have this one, which again is some flowers. I really like this. I like this blue flower. It's really pretty. It's almost like water paint as well. I like that. And then you have these leaves as well, which you can couple with like behind it or whatever. I really like them. I'm going to have to do a design with each one of these. And then the last one is this one. So Betty Boop. I really like these. I don't think I have any water decals. I might have, but not these ones. So I think I'm going to have to do a design using these as well. I really like them. I like they've got the iconic, you know, the iconic sitting down in this one. And like the hairstyle as well. I like that. And with like the kind of more sort of her face, like the shape of her face. Yeah, I really, really like them. So yeah, so that is the March VIP box. I don't know how long it's going to be available for, but yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on this. Have you shopped from her? Have you seen something that you like? I really like them. I love these. These are really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. I love them. Great job. Lovely. So yeah, as I said, I will link all the links down below, and yeah, we will have a look and see what we can create with these. I think I'm going to do more regular polished designs with these rather than the gel, but I will still do gel. But yeah, I think, yeah, definitely, because I have a design in mind for one of these. Well, let me know your thoughts down below, and yeah, I will leave all the links in the description box. And yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.